Yo, what's going on? It's Elusive here, and today we're going to be changing out these stock CRZ wheels slash Steely. I kind of told you guys the story about why the Steely's on, but pretty much we got three CRZ factory wheels, which aren't, I have my opinion, I think I actually like the CRZ factory wheels, but we're going to be changing them out because obviously the Steely's on there, and it's pretty much impossible to find just one wheel. So we do have a set. I will show you guys right now. We have a set of Type S, fucking Type S wheels for the 0204. I had these laying around in my basement. These used to be on the Silver RSX before I got the 17-inch Type S wheels. So I got these laying around. Obviously, it's the same bolt pattern because W Honda. It is super windy out today, so we're going to try and mitigate some of that. But sorry in advance. But yeah, we're going to jack up the car, pretty much take the wheels off, and then, yeah, pretty straightforward. Alright, so the Steely's off, thank God. So these ones had the locking style lug nuts on them. They're just some sort, those are called Mr. Lug nuts. He got the box with me and stuff. He kept the box with it, thankfully, so I could get them off. But yeah, like I said, these are, I don't know. These things this thing definitely needs like a fucking brake job. Look at the fucking calipers. They're just rusting away. Isn't that nice, dude? We're gonna put the RSX wheel on now and see what it looks like, and then torque it down the spec. Damn, I won't lie. These actually look pretty fucking good on here. Damn, that's actually pretty good. I mean, like on the RSX, I know, like these are a lot more tucked than the RSX, but on this, it kind of works for some reason. Like I like how the 17-inch wheels kind of stick out a little more on the Type S. But yeah, these really fucking, I like them, bro. I like them. So we're gonna torque them down here. I'm not sure the measurement. It's fucking windy as a motherfucker. But yeah, it's like a tornado out here. But yeah, we'll torque them down the spec, and then we'll do the rest of them. Alright, so we are on and torqued to 80 foot-pounds per the manual, which I don't have, so I read it online. But how do you guys feel so far? I kind of dig it. Again, for reference, here is the stock ones, which I'm not really a terrible hater on. Like, they are pretty good for stock. I mean, they look kind of like CRV wheels, but other than that, they're pretty cool. But yeah, I just like the Type S wheels on this. I mean, just for even a smaller car, I guess. Pretty cool. So we're going to do the rest of the sides here, and then we'll get back to you. Look at my crazy camber, bro. I'm off the rail. I'm off the rail on my camper. I maxed out my cambers on my coilovers. Average Honda owner. I got so much surface area now I can drift around the track. My front wheel drive car. Hell yeah. Alright, so we are all in and on. Sorry, it is still windy as fuck here. I don't know what Mother Nature has got for us, but they are in and on with brand new Honda lug nuts. What do you guys feel? What do you guys think? We just RSX the motherfucking CRZ, giving our own little taste of the RSX to CRZ. I really like these wheels. Like I said, it's Honda. Everything's freaking pretty much universal, so it all works out in the end. Being a Honda owner always works out in the end, but yeah, like I said, they're all in and on. They all need to get a little bit of air. The tires haven't gotten used in like a year, so they've been just sitting in the basement. This one here is really flat, so we're gonna get the air out right now, and then we're gonna fill these fuckers up. So of course the battery went out in my freaking air tire inflator, so now I can't even check the pressure. But I don't even have a gauge either to read it, so oh well, I don't care at this point. We're gonna leave it as it is. I filled them all up a little bit. None of them are fucking sagging no more, so we should be good. Yeah, what do you guys think? RSX wheels on the CRZ. Is it a flop or is it cool? I think it looks cool over these ones. I mean, these look like CRV wheels. I'll be honest. Compared to these ones on now, I think these are definitely taking the cake for me. But let me know what you guys think. With that being said, other CRZ stuff in the future. I'm going to be really cleaning the interior and such. Like I showed you guys in the previous video, it is a little dirty in here, especially in person. Not so much on camera, but in person is very dirty. I mean, a lot of this stuff is just stained and whatever, which else. So we're gonna be finally fixing that. I haven't showed you guys, but the check engine light actually just came off on its own. I'm gonna try and show you guys what I was talking about now. Sport mode. So the TPMS light's still gonna be on, but now we can go in sport mode, and that's what sport mode does. I wanted to show you guys that. So this is normal mode, and this is sport mode. Isn't that sick? What a cool thing, dude. What a cool, lovely world we live in. Yeah, that was what I want to show you guys. Sport mode on the CRZ. Super lame, but super cool to me. So if you guys don't like it, I don't care. I do. So like I said, a lot of stuff planned for the CRZ, mainly maintenance and cleaning and stuff. Just making this thing clean, as I don't have any money to spend because I have too many cars. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the RSX wheels. I think totally a hit, especially in this color. Like, it totally matches the car like it was meant to be. So shout out to my brother for powder coating these for a long time. These wheels are from OG wheels. Like, these are OG wheels when I first got the RSX. So shout out to that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Adios, motherfuckers.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Look at my crazy Camber, bro.